Hi guys, welcome back to Big Bear Bikes. I'm Oliver and I've got Mike with me today.
Hi guys, you right?
Now, what we're wanting to talk to you about was a certain thing we were looking for. We were looking for a great folding e-bike brand that we could have in the shop to be able to offer our customers, and we discovered MiRider. So MiRider is a British brand. We love this brand basically because it has various models to choose from, some great funky colours, some excellent accessories, a great service behind them, and they are fantastic to ride. Let's start off with the MiRider One. So your MiRider One, okay, so this is the standard e-folding bike from MiRider. It's got 16-inch wheel size. It comes with a just over 250 watt-hour battery, get you about 40 miles of riding on a single charge. It's got a good 40 Newton-meter motor, so a great tackle on most hills, but its simplicity is something else that we really like. It's on a single speed, it's got no gears, okay, but what it has got is 5 different power assist modes. So obviously your power assist is only going to help you out when you're pedaling, okay? But what is fantastic about these bikes is they have a little boost, get you started button for example, when you're waiting at the traffic lights. Just get you started just for a few seconds so that you can just pedal along. We'll demonstrate that in just a bit. But they pack down to next to no size at all, and they're absolutely fantastic. Actually, this bike, Mike, this is your size bike, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. Let me make it my size, definitely. Yeah. So in pursuit, I just put the seat down, really easy, just like that. Just put that down there and then drop that as well there. I think that's my size. Yeah, that's good. Right, now I want my handlebars a little bit lower there. I'm quite racy, you see. Yeah. I want to set it off like that. Yeah, that's good for me. Yeah, I'm ready there. Oh, wait a minute. Is it not your size though?
It's my size, is this? What? Yeah, let me show you. Dead easy to adjust.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. Look at this. I'm not going to be as racy as you, Mike. Get that back up. I'm ready to go. So what else we like about this bike is it's got disc brakes as standard, you know, so really great stopping power with the bike. It's nice and light. Now the previous e-folding bike that we sold was a 20 kilo bike and quite hefty. So this comes in at just 17 kilos. So really nice for lifting as well as you know, handling when you're riding it too. And we'll show you the lovely easy folding mechanism as well. When we have we're going to have a quick fold out together.
Yeah, we're a little contest, I think, would be a good idea.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I mean, we get a lot of customers with motorhomes, so these are fantastic for folding up, putting into the motorhome itself or putting in the garage at the back. We've had customers buy these and put them into their car boots. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, you can take these bikes anywhere. The batteries will come out for charging, but you can plug them straight in, and they come with a great range of accessories, one of which is a 12-volt adapter, so you can actually charge it whilst it's in your car.
What size is the battery on there?
So yeah, 250 watt hours. It's a Samsung battery, so really great quality battery. You know, so again, dead easy to be able to remove and charge in the home if you wanted to too. So it's locked in with a key. Yeah, superb.
This is the MiRider GB3, so we've got the MiRider One behind me. This is the geared version with the special gears actually in the, well, we'll build it while we go, but let's just pop that together there. Click it together there, speed it all up. It's so easy to build this bike, it's incredible. We're just about there. So yeah, the bike with 3 gears built into the hub with its special 3-speed system there, so it can go up 25% hills, and it can certainly go a lot faster than that as well, and it's in its highest possible gear there. Hub motor in the back, 40 Newton meters of power, great powerful thing. Battery built into the actual frame there, but you can actually charge it, but you can actually take it out when we fold it. So really easy to get in and out, super adjustable, just like the MiRider One there. Really easy to get your perfect, comfortable, perfect size for every rider height, let's say. So yeah, great bike, powerful. We'll zoom along, great display as well, and yeah, super British built company. Let's get it turned on. Let's go for a spin. Let's just zoom off. Wow, it's so fast! Wow! And so comfortable with its rear suspension as well. Love it. Brilliant bike. This is the MiRider One with all the options that you can get from MiRider. So let's have a look at the options you can get, Ollie. One of the main ones, I suppose, is the hydraulic disc brakes.
That's right. The bikes come standard with disc brakes, but mechanical disc brakes. Your difference being there is obviously instead of being hydraulic fluid in the hoses here, you'd have cable operated ones. So your hydraulic ones are basically self-adjusting, so as they wear, they will still your brake the same as if they were brand new, and you know, that bit more responsive. Not saying though, the mechanical ones are still really great brakes to have, aren't they?
They're super powerful though, aren't they? Nice, comfy.
Absolutely.
We've also got the riser bars, haven't we?
That's right. On the MiRider One, the handlebar is straight, so this is the bar that actually comes standard on the GB3, but it's an upgrade available. I think it's £20.
Yeah, really good value.
Just to sort of change that posture a bit more, isn't it?
Nice, comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah. Have you noticed how comfy these grips are as well that you get?
Yeah, they're
standard, aren't they?
Yeah,
got a lot of support
they're really
for
nice on the wrist. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, really good. We've also got the front handlebar bag, haven't we? There.
Yeah,
nice
definitely.
Features there. That's waterproof, isn't it? As well?
People are going to have these bikes for days out, you know, and you can't plan for the weather, but you know, with bags like this, you know, you can keep everything safe. You know, whether it's your phone or you know, anything else.
Talking about the phone, you got that great featured little thing there. So that's actually, it's not just a phone holder, is it? Because it can hold you. It's almost like a wallet, isn't it?
That's right. So it slides off, so you can keep the holder just on there. Just fantastic. So your phone in there, which your touch screen would still work, but like a wallet inside. So again, you know, for those days out, it just makes it nice and easy.
They've really thought about things. I've noticed as well. They've even have a sun visor as well. It's great. Really clever thing.
Real nice features and not stupidly expensive either.
No, they're not. No.
I was going to say we like the saddles, don't we? They come on the bikes, but what about that one?
You've got this great one, yeah. So super comfortable gel saddle. I mean, that is probably the most comfortable saddle we've got in the whole shop.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's like a sofa.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. It comes with a light as well on it, isn't it? As well.
Does,
so it's got a light at the back. Can we show that?
Yeah.
How it works. Yeah.
As you can see, it's got a back rack as well. That is just to be able to carry this super pannier that they offer. So that is velcroed onto the back, easily removable. It does come with shoulder straps, so you can carry it as a bag, but it's totally waterproof as well. So you know, whether you're carrying your sausage rolls, you know, your camera, your bike lock, all of those things, they could go in there and
brilliant, aren't they? Really waterproof.
Absolutely, nicely out of the way and safe.
Little saddle bag as well, we mentioned there.
Yeah, definitely.
Full thing at the back.
Well, you could keep tools and stuff in there, couldn't you? If you wanted to.
Repair kit if you ever needed that.
Yeah, definitely.
Brilliant. There's some great features on that bike, isn't there?
I mean, other things you can get though as well. When you fold this bike up, you can actually get a carry bag for it as well, can't you?
Yes. That's good.
You know, so that you know, they're a really good thing to have. And obviously, this has got the upgraded Graveler tyres. So they do come standard with a smoother tyre. Do your MiRider ones and GB3s? But for a small amount to upgrade to these, it does mean that you can get them more on the cinder track and sort of unpaved road, and still maintain some great control with the bike. We thought we'd have a bit of a competition here as to who could fold up the MiRider quicker than the other. I don't think it's an activity on Strava.
Well, I reckon we can put it on.
I think we can add it, couldn't we?
Right afterwards, definitely, yeah.
Okay.
All right, how speedy can we do this?
Yeah, well, let's have a go.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Let's go. Whew. Drop that down like that. Get that there. Oh, I'm a bit behind you here.
Oh, I don't know if you are.
There we go. Drop that there. Ooh. Oh no! Oh, you've done it. You've beat me. There we go. Yeah.
But yeah, these bike.
Quick though. How long did that take?
Not long at all.
Not long.
Super small.
Speedy,
and then, when you unpack them out of your car, so you get to where you want to go, you get it out of your car, you want to set it back up.
Let's just pop it back together again. Cool. Zoom that out of the way. Click.
It's the pedals are slowing me down.
I think I did it faster than you this time. I'll adjust my handlebars because I want it to have a bit more. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm ready to go now.
Perfect, yeah.
You ready? Let's go for that ride.
Nice one, yeah.
Brilliant,
Chimney bank.
Let's do it. All right, let's go.
Cool.
See you soon. Oh, it's so comfy.